how's everyone doing? Do you know this song? If you do, please do put in the comment the title and the band sings this song. By the way, I'm not showing you how to play this song. Instead, I have a bit tutorial for you about mixing drink. It's how to make cosmopolitan. Now we are going to make a cosmopolitan. For cosmopolitan, first we will need vodka, contro, cranberry juice, lime juice, and lemon for garnishes. There are a few equipments that we will use. The first one is bucket of ice, cocktail shaker, strainer, and jigger. The steps: first, we need to put enough ice to the cocktail shaker. We need to pour. The first beverage is vodka for 1 ounce. The next beverage is control. Enough cranberry juice. And next is ½ ounce of lime juice. Prepare the garnish. We will cut the garnish into two. We would need the skin, and we don't need this part. Next, we will shake the beverage. It's always a good thing to have napkins next to you. And be ready to shake. Next, we will pour into the martini glass. And then use the strain to hold the ice. And we add the garnish. And this is cosmopolitan. That's all for the cosmopolitan. Have a good day. Hi, so how's everyone after seeing the video? Please write a comment, see the feedback, and hopefully I can improve my video for the next ones. Take care.